Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely beautiful Kawasaki GPZ550. Here we have a Kawasaki GPZ550. This is a 1982 machine on a Y plate with just 34,881 miles and only for owners from new. This bike underwent a full restoration in 2020 and as such is in fantastic condition. The rear indicator there, as you can see, fantastic order. Original back end, of course, all the bodywork in tip-top order, having had a respray back to its original condition, as you can see. The levers, bar end and the mirror all unmarked, likewise the front indicator. The exhaust there, matte black, of course. We have got the standard exhaust for it, although it does need repainting. But this Netta exhaust, very much of the period, of course, and looks absolutely superb on this classic. So the rear wheel there, absolutely tip-top again. That's been refinished as well, and the rear tyre in good condition with loads of life left on it. All that bodywork there. There's no crazing, no cracks, anything like that at all. It really is in tip-top condition, this bike. As I said, no corrosion on the engine. Runs absolutely superbly, as you will hear when we fire it up. There you go. There's that exhaust again in really good order. The front of the bike, again, that's in great condition as well. The nose cone and the front forks and those downpipes there, you would have just seen those. And the brakes all in good order, and the wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. The front tyre, loads of life left in that, and there's that front mudguard, again in great condition. The front of the bike, no stone chips to the headlamp or the screen. Again, that dark screen there, very much of the period. And here we go again with the mirror. No scrapes, scuffs, damage there either. Likewise on the bar end or the lever. And the indicator, your front forks there, in great condition, as are those brakes and the front wheel. The engine, again on this side, no damage, no corrosion. It's in really good order. No marks on the end of the foot peg there either. And all the bodywork on this side again, absolutely as you would expect for a restored motorcycle. It's in fantastic order. There we go, there's that rear panel and the grab rail and the seat. There's no rips, tears or damage there. Top of the petrol tank again, fantastic condition, and all your original clocks, dials and switch gear, of course. And the rear footrest hanger, fantastic. New shady sprockets, of course, as you can see there. Absolutely tip-top. Hopefully we can see under there, as you can see. No corrosion anywhere at all. It really is in fantastic order. Of course, these bikes were very popular back in the day, but now becoming very rare indeed. So if you're after a modern classic to add to your collection, look no further than this stunning Kawasaki GPZ550. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our motorcycles come with a current MOT service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. Also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful Kawasaki GPZ550, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.